Yo, what's up guys? Today let's check out how you can set up this minimal aesthetic look onto your Windows 10 PC. With that being said, if you end up liking this video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's begin the show. So to start up with, I've chosen up these two wallpapers which are like kind of minimal and could match up my theme. You can set up any of these, and once done you can go to the taskbar settings and enable the auto hide taskbar to clear up the desktop. Next up, you need to go to the themes and settings, and right up there go ahead and disable the desktop icons. Simply untick those icons that are enabled and click on apply, and that should make your desktop clean and ready for customization. So next up, you need to go ahead and install the Rainmeter. I'll be like providing the links for it in the description box. So it is like a great application where you can do a lots and lots of customization. So next up, after you're done with that, you can go to the WinRAR and extract up the files of the themes that I'll be providing up in the description. And once you're done with that, you need to copy up all the set of files and you need to navigate to the following directory. Simply copy up these files and then go to the C and then to the Windows and then searching for resources, and once you found that, go to the themes right in there and paste up all these files right up in the themes folder. So you need to provide up the administrative permissions as you are pasting up in the C directory. So once you're done, you can close this up and open up the themes and settings right up from the start menu. So search up for themes and settings and you'll find up like new set of themes right in there. You can scroll down and apply any of this. I've chosen up this dark and whitish theme which like suits up my minimal theme that I'm gonna build up. So once you're done with that, you need to also like reset the wallpaper, as you know the wallpaper changes according to the theme. Okay, once done, you can go ahead and install the raw time widgets in the Rainmeter and apply it. So I've chosen up this fourth widget from the raw time which like provides the required minimal look. So once you're done, you can do the coordinate settings so that it gets fixed to the desired position of your kind, and you can also like edit up using the notepad the each and every aspect of the widget. So once done, you can go ahead and install the circle launcher with whose icons I'll be using as a dog like theme, and let's just unload up the icons that are not required and set this quickly up. So once you're done with setting up all these icons, it should look something like this. You can simply click on that window right up there and that should open up the notepad. And so once you're done, you need to simply go to the directory of the software that you wanna like configure. Simply copy up the directory address and then you need to simply paste that up right in the notepad of the launcher settings. And once you're done with that, you are like good to go. Next time you click on the icon, the software automatically opens up. So what you're doing is simply configuring up the buttons actions on what they should do on a single click. So once you're done with setting up all this, you can simply click on save button. So next time you click on the button, the software should automatically open up. That's cool, right? Okay, now once you're done with that, you can go ahead and set up the Llano visualizer. So this is one of those good visualizers that adds up that visualizing effect on the music you play. So you can simply set up this too, and you can customize a lot. You can customize every aspect of this launcher, and once you're done with setting up all this, you're good to go with the minimal theme.